You must have seen this person in the news. This person's name is Brian Johnson. He is a 46-year-old former Silicon Valley CEO who claimed that he has reversed his age by 5.1 years through a regime on which he spends more than $2 million every year. If you are looking to reverse your age or stay young for longer, then stay till the end of this video. Hi, my name is Nawaz, a sports scientist and a wellness expert. Welcome to Star Health Channel. What if I told you that you don't need to spend a fortune on products to look and feel younger? The secret to reversing age is right within your grasp. No, seriously. Today, we are diving into how you can slow down and in some cases even reverse the aging process using nothing but your own body's incredible abilities, smart nutrition, and a solid workout plan. Alright, let's start with the basics. What exactly is aging? Most people think that it's about wrinkles, grey hair, and a feeling of more tired as they age. But aging starts much deeper at the cellular level. Here's the deal. Every time your cell divides, they lose a tiny bit of their protective DNA caps, called telomeres. Think of telomeres like a plastic tip at the end of your shoelaces. When they wear out, your shoelaces fray. Similarly, when telomeres wear down, your cell starts to malfunction, leading to aging. Now there is something called chronological age and biological age. Chronological age is the number of years you have been alive, which means the age which you calculate from the day you were born. While biological age refers to how old your cells and tissues are based on physiological evidence. If you are healthy and fit for your age, your biological age may be well lower than your chronological age. But if you are sedentary, ill, or in poor physical condition, your biological age may be higher. Research suggests that biological age is more accurate than chronological age for predicting the onset of disease and death. But here's where it gets interesting. Your body has this amazing ability to repair and even reverse some of the damage to improve your biological age. That's where lifestyle comes in. Believe it or not, about 70 to 80% of how your age is determined is by your environment and lifestyle choices. So, while your genetics might set the stage, you are the one writing the script. But wait, there's more. It's not just your cells that age. Your organs, your muscles, even your brain, all of them go through this process. You could be in your 30s, but feel like you are 50 because of how you have been living. But don't worry, we are going to change that. Let's take a moment to think how much our life has changed in the last 100 years. Our grandparents had to walk miles just to fetch water or go to school. They worked in fields, climbed stairs instead of taking elevators, and ate food that was fresh and not wrapped in plastic. Fast forward today, we are living in an age of convenience. But with the convenience comes a price. First, let's talk about movement, or rather, the lack of it. Back in the day, physical activity was just a part of life. Today, most of us spend our time sitting, at work, in our cars, and our couches. The result, our muscles weaken, our metabolism slows down, and our body starts aging faster. Sedentary lifestyles are like pressing on the fast forward button on aging. Then there is food. Our ancestors did not have access to fast food, sugary snacks, or even processed meals. They ate whole foods, fruits, vegetables, grains, and meats that was rich in nutrients. But today, our diets are full of processed junk that's high in sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. This kind of diet not only packs on the pounds, but also accelerates aging by promoting inflammation, oxidative stress, and insulin resistance, all of which are key drivers of aging. And let's not forget stress. While stress itself isn't new, the way we handle it has changed dramatically. In the past, people had natural outlets for stress, physical labor, social interaction, and even being in the nature. Chronic stress leads to increased level of cortisol, the aging hormone, which breaks down collagen in your skin, weakens your immune system, and even shrinks your brain. Yes, you heard that right. Stress can literally make your brain smaller. Now, I know what you're thinking. I'm already busy. How can I find time to exercise? But here's the thing. Exercise is like a magic pill for reverse aging. When you exercise, You're not just burning calories, you are literally turning back the clock on your body. Let's break it down. First, exercises increase the production of mitochondria. These are the little powerhouses in your cell that generates energy. More mitochondria means more energy, faster metabolism, and a slower aging process. Strength training is particularly important because it helps you maintain muscle mass. As we age, we naturally lose muscle, about 3 to 5% per decade after the age of 30. But by lifting weights or doing resistance exercises, you can not only prevent muscle loss but also build new muscles. This keeps you strong, mobile, and less prone to injuries as you get older. Cardio is another crucial piece of the puzzle. It strengthens your heart, improves circulation, and keeps your lungs healthy. But cardio also has a hidden benefit. It boosts the production of something called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. Think of BDNF as a fertilizer for your brain. It helps you grow new brain cells and keep your mind sharp. And let's not forget mobility. As you age, your joints can become stiff, making it hard to move around. Flexibility exercises like yoga or stretching keep your joints supple, reduce pain, and improve the overall mobility. Plus, yoga has shown to lower stress levels and improve mood, which, as we have seen, is crucial for slowing down the aging process. Remember, aging is inevitable, but how you age is largely up to you. By taking action today, whether it's starting a new workout routine, incorporating superfoods in your diet, or simply getting better sleep, you can make a big difference in how you look and feel for the years to come. So what are you waiting for? The fountain of youth isn't a myth. It's within your reach. Start making these changes today, and you will be amazed to see the differences it can make. And don't forget to share your journey with us in the comments below. Let's create a community of youthful, vibrant people who are defying the odds and living life to the fullest. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Stay young, stay strong.